2, we started. That question is the small light ball, small and light ball.
Um,
These are two important points. Yes.
Are you showing question 2?
Yes. Is it not shared?
I see question 12.
Okay. अभी कर Yeah. Is
Now
it
I
done?
see question 2.
So this is question number 2. A small light ball is dropped from the top of a building. Small ball dropped from the top of the building. So which graph shows the speed of the ball changes with time? So if the ball is small and light, it would get terminal velocity because it is dropped from the tall building. So इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि this graph shows constant acceleration, so it will not be there. This shows that constant acceleration and constant deceleration, it will not be there. And this C shows that the ball has decreasing acceleration. ठीक है ना, यहाँ पे मैं लिख देता हूँ. It has decreasing acceleration. ठीक है, it has constant acceleration. In that, acceleration is constant, and then in first, acceleration is constant, and then deceleration is constant. ठीक है, so in the last part, it is deceleration. First, it is rapid deceleration, and then constant velocity. ठीक है, rapid deceleration, then constant velocity, and here decreasing acceleration, and finally velocity is constant. So that is why when a ball is dropped from the tall building, it must have terminal velocity. That's why your option C would be correct. ठीक है, टर्मिनल वेलोसिटी का ग्राफ आपने हंट करना होता है इस केस में. Then for question number this question number 3 कह रहा है कि 300 sorry, a runner runs 300 meter at an average speed of 3 meter per second. She then runs 300 meter at an average speed of 6 meter per second. What is the average speed for the total distance of 600 meter? So in this question, you have two segments. First distance is 300 meter and it is traveled in 10 at the speed of 10 meter per second. So by using distance formula, S is equals to VT, you will calculate time. Time is basically distance divided by time. इसको basically D कर लें आप. For your convenience, you can write it D is equals to VT, and time will be distance divided by speed. So distance is 300 divided by 3. So it means she's running with us. She's taking 10 seconds. Got it? Then the next 300 meter by 6 meter per second. It means this is your time 1, and then for time 2, it would be 300 meters divided by 6. So you will have 50 seconds. No, that would be 100 seconds. Sorry, that will be 100 seconds, and then 150. So इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि you will be stick together with the concept of average speed, that is total distance divided by total time taken. ठीक है, distance divided by time taken. Is it clear? So distance is
Yes, sir.
600 divided by what is time taken? 100 plus 50. What is the total number? It is 150.
50.
तो 150 ये हो जाएगा आपके पास, ये गया तो 4 meters per seconds. ठीक है?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
your answer is option B. Okay, so yes, Mariam, what was your answer for question number 2?
C. C.
And Zainab?
Sir, also C.
Very good. For question number 3, Mariam
B.
and Zainab?
B.
Very good. हम लोग लाइक लोग ऐसे ही कह रहे हो, क्वेश्चन नहीं आते हमें. Okay, now go to this one.
तेरा भी आगे आने दे.
कह रहा है कि a helium balloon is tied to a top pen balance. The metal block of mass 100 gram is placed on the top pen balance. So the reading of the balance becomes 91 grams. Which statement that can be deduced from this experiment? देखो, by this experiment there is only one statement, that if only this weight would be there, it would provide you how much mass? 100 gram. But when there is an upthrust force of this balloon, upward force, that force is causing this reduction in the number. So definitely how much that force is? It is 0.9 times g. I mean, I will make it clear for you. 0 times, sorry, it is, its mass is, its mass is actually something different. It is applying an upward force. ठीक है? तो हम लोग ये देखेंगे कि how much force that is. Because this question is something technical one. तो कह रहा है कि which statement reduces the balloon exerts a downward force. So no, balloon does not exert a downward force. If it would be downward force, so it, the number should be more than 100. So A is gone. The helium balloon has a mass of -9 gram. Mass can never be zero, so it is cancelled out. Helium balloon has a mass of +9 uh, grams. So mass can be, but if that would be a mass in grams, so it would be added in the number. So this is also gone. So the resultant downward force on the top pen balance is 0.91 Newton. This is the key answer basically, because as I told you that this balloon is applying an upward force, so that force will be something that is, I mean, let's say it is x, but the downward force is the weight of this block. So if the block would have entire weight here, let's say its weight would be how much? Weight of the block will be equals to mass times its value of g. So mass is 100 gram and value of g is, here it is taken as 10, right? Because in this question the value is used as 10, but you have to make the habit of using it and put it. Ab dekho, mass is in grams, so you will convert it into kgs by dividing it by 1000. So two zeros will be gone with this, 10 will be gone with this. So it is basically 1 Newton. How much force is applied by the, by this weight in the downward direction? 1 Newton. Are you getting this thing? So 1
Sir,
Newton is the,
repeat. 1
yes,
न्यूटन कैसे आया?
1 Newton ऐसे आया कि weight is equal to mass into gravitational acceleration.
Okay.
Okay, so mass is how much?
100.
Mass is 100.
Yeah.
Okay, so इसका मतलब ये हुआ, वो mass is 100 grams. So 100 grams means you have to convert it into kgs. Next time
Okay.
you have to monitor the time.
It'll be 0.1 into
ठीक
10.
है?
Oh, okay. हाँ समझ आ गया.
Clear हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so when you will apply this, you will get the force in Newton. I mean, weight in Newton is 1 Newton. अब आप देखो, if downward force is 1 Newton, then upward force is something x, but that is not given to you. But due to that upward force, how much reduction has taken place? 91 gram is the mass. So it means the mass, the net force or resultant force on the top pen balance is equals to weight of, yani total weight now. So m into g kar lete hain. So if it is showing you 91 gram, so it means 91 gram is there. So it would be 0.91 kg into 10, is it? So that is 0.91. Sorry, it would be 0.091 top wala na, because you are going to divide it by 1000. देखो mass कितनी है हमारी? Mass, the reading on the emitter, that is 91 grams. So just convert it into kg. We will divide it by 1000. तो 91 divided by 1000 किया तो ये कितना हो गया? 0.091 kg is the mass now, which is shown here. So if you want to measure its weight, weight is equal to 0.091 times 10. What value did you get?
0.91.
Yes, 0.912. ठीक है ना? So it is 0.912. It means now the reading shown to you is 0.912. That is the net force. Na? Clear? So because
Yeah.
upward and downward are cancelling each other. Before that, the downward force was how much? 1 Newton. Balloon is applying an upward force of 0.09 Newton. ठीक है? या 0.999 Newton. Check करो जरा. Just subtract these two numbers. 1 minus ये करके दो मुझे. 1 minus 0.91 करिए. What will you get?
1 minus 0.9.
91 0.09.
Yes, 0.09. बिल्कुल सही था. So balloon is providing you 0.09 Newton force in the upward direction. Is it clear? This was a horrible question.
Sir, I didn't get
who-
it.
Okay, तुम्हारा तो फिर गलत हो गया. मरीम जैनब तुम्हारा? हैं?
क्या मेरा भी गलत है?
Oh, good.
मैं ग्लास भी लगे ना.
Sir, I did
Okay.
B.
अभी
Okay.
गेमिंग बन सकता है मेरे.
Okay, you got it B. अब problem is कि when we are having, देखो इस क्वेश्चन को आपने गौर से देखना है. That is a horrible question. I will explain it again if I will get time. Okay, time is up. I have next class anyhow. देखो, that is कि in that top pen balance you put some मैं यहाँ पे explain कर देता हूँ. In the top pen balance, what did you do? आपने क्या किया? You put a rod, I mean the cylinder, and cylinder gave you a reading of what? Cylinder ने क्या reading दिया आपको? When you just
91
put the
grams.
cylinder, 91 gram is a mass. उसको convert करो जरा force में.
Force में.
Hmm.
1 2
Okay, so that is 100
9.1.
gram mass. ठीक है? So 100 gram mass will have a load here. So how much weight will it have? Its weight is 1 Newton. It means the top pen balance will read how much? 100 gram. Got it? So it is clear from this calculation that for 1 Newton force, top pen balance reads how much?
100 grams.
100. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Got it? Okay,
Sir?
very good. जी बेटा.
I'm sorry to disturb मगर सर मेरे कंप्यूटर का क्लास शुरू हुआ है.
So you will leave. तो क्वेश्चन नहीं समझ आए भले.
नहीं.
Okay, बस मैं 2 मिनट दे दो. I got a very easy trick for you people. Okay,
ठीक है सर.
1 Newton force is equal to 100 gram. तो मुझे ये बताइए कि now what is your reading? 0.91 gram ना? Sorry, 91 grams ना? बस इस तरह क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाता है. वो मैंने एम ही फिजिक्स पढ़ा के तुम लोगों को तंग किया. यूनिटरी मेथड लगाओ. एंजॉय योर लाइफ एज वेल एंड लेट मी एंजॉय माय लाइफ एज वेल. बताओ
सर
91 ग्राम कितने न्यूटन के बराबर होगा?
Then 1 gram, 100 grams. Then. अच्छा हाँ समझ आ गया. हाँ समझ आ गया. ये divided by 100 समझ आ गया.
आ गया ना? So this is the game in this question. कि if you have that value, I mean if you have 91 gram reading, तो it would show 0.91 Newton. ठीक है ना? तो इसका मतलब that is the force which is resultantly applied on this Newton, I mean balance. So this is your resultant force. ठीक है?
Okay, sir, got it.
Yes, इतना आसान था. बाकी क्वेश्चन इंशाल्लाह हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. आई विल ट्राई माय बेस्ट कि मैं आप लोगों को ये सॉल्व करके भेज दूं सारा. ठीक है जैनब, अभी आप अगर लीव करती हैं तो इट्स ओके, आई विल सेंड यू दिस रिकॉर्डिंग। ठीक है,
Okay. Thank you.
यस, मैं बस इसके साथ जैनब, मरियम तुम्हारी क्लास होनी है?
नहीं सर।
ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं।
Love.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, अल्लाह हाफिज बेटा।
हाफिज।
कह रहे the liquid has a volume of 0.0440 cubic meter and the mass is इतना. Volume is given to you, mass is given to you, you have to calculate density. So what would be the density? Density is equal to mass by volume. और आपने इसको देखो ना, आपकी यूनिट क्या है, दैट ऑल इज केजी पर मीटर क्यूब। तो 3000 ग्राम को कन्वर्ट करना है, तो यू विल गेट 30 केजी। ठीक है, एंड योर value of volume is 0.040. So just solve it. What would you get?
750.
Yes. So was it correct?
Yes sir.
Very good. क्या रहेगा resultant force of 4 Newton acting on an object of mass 0.5 kg for 3 seconds? What is the change in velocity caused by this force? Change in velocity आपने calculate करनी है. For this question, you have to go to that you know concept of F is equals to ma, and mass is given to you, and what is acceleration? Change in velocity divided by time. ठीक है,
Sure.
इज इट क्लियर? अब देखो
Yes sir.
फोर्स कितनी है, 4 न्यूटन,
4.
mass is 0.5 kg, and you have to calculate change in velocity where your time is how much? 3 seconds. Just cross multiply करना है इसको, and just find the value of delta v for me.
Just a second.
24 हो जाएगा.
X. Okay, yeah, 24. Got it.
ठीक है, question number 7, which quantities both are vectors? So acceleration and force, definitely these two are vectors, so no need for explanation. So आपका question number 6 correct है?
नहीं.
Okay. Question number 7.
Yes.
Good. Then question number 8 was having a, actually मैं ज्यादा डिटेल नहीं बोला. That ball is striking with that ball has a momentum of 25 kg meter per second, collides head on with the wall at a rebound. This word is the key word here. From the wall with the same speed but opposite in direction. Sorry, ये momentum नहीं, ये इसकी initial speed है. Right? The time of contact is 50 millisecond. So what is the force you have to calculate? This
Sir,
question
wait.
is related.
वो to the 25 one, that is the momentum, right?
No, it is speed. It is oh sorry, it is momentum. Sorry, it is momentum. ठीक है?
अच्छा.
Okay, so what is the average force exerted by the wall on the ball during this collision? तो आपको ये पता है कि for this one, force is equals to change in momentum divided by time. Is it?
Yes sir.
Okay, so change in momentum is what? Final momentum minus initial momentum divided by time. So when the ball hits the wall, ठीक है, it has a momentum of 25 kg meter per second, and when the ball would be rebound back, ठीक है, उस टाइम भी इसका मोमेंटम क्या होगा, बिकॉज इट इज एन इलास्टिक कोलिजन. ठीक है,
Okay.
तो इस टाइम भी आपके पास होगा kg meter per second. तो इट when there is a rebound case,
Same है.
I told you, तो सेम होगा. तो you will have its value is negative. तो actually my final momentum is minus 25 where my initial momentum is 25. This ये जो बीच वाला साइन है ना, this is sign of formula, and divided by time is 50 millisecond. So milli means you will divide it by 1000. ठीक है, just solve it together. Just ignore the negative sign.
2, 3. Allah. Uh, 50 divided by 1000, right? Right. 1000 Newton.
1000 Newton आ गया ना?
Hmm.
So which one is right?
D.
Option B. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. So next question number 9 is which device designed to convert chemical energy to kinetic? So chemical to kinetic is basically AC generator, nahi. Battery of a power torch, nahi. Car engine.
Yes.
Yes, car engine utilizes chemical energy of the petrol and converts it into mechanical energy. Then question number 10, that is
सर ये
a
10
ball.
कब हुआ?
Eh?
मैंने 10 नहीं किया.
Okay. That ball is dropped from the height of 12 meter per second. 12 meter, it changes the gravitational potential energy. It falls to the ground is 565 joule. The friction force is neglected. Nothing happens. What is the speed of the ball when it hits the ground? For these questions,
MV
I
square.
will request you to use this equation. Change in GPE, I mean loss in GPE, is equals to gain in KE, and that is mgh equals 1 by 2 m square. Okay? So mass will be cancelled because mass is not given here. So from this one, v square is equals to 2gh. ठीक है? V square is
Okay.
equal to 2gh. तो बस values put करो. Just plug in the in that one. यहाँ पे आपकी वैल्यू 10 यूज करेगा, वैसे आपने 9.8 यूज करनी है बिकॉज
2,
दिस वाज एन ओल्ड क्वेश्चन. तो आप क्या कर सकती हो?
2,
ओ वेट वेट वेट, हाइट तो गिवन है वैसे.
अब तो हम
हाइट इज
उसका क्या करेंगे एनर्जी का?
एनर्जी का जरूरत नहीं है, एनर्जी को मैंने बाईपास कर दिया है. एनर्जी अगर आप करती ना तो यू वुड यूज दैट इट्स जीपीई इज इक्वल्स टू mgh. From here you can calculate mass, but I just put everything in the pressure cooker and just switch on the timer. Okay,
तो
15
अगर
मिनट बाद.
एनर्जी यूज करती तो it will be first you find the mass from here, then you find the kinetic and like the speed from there. Is it?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Got it. So it will be wait, 2, 10, 12, 2, 10, 12, 15.5 B.
Yes. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Okay, उसके बाद कह रहा है क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. A man climbs a ladder. Which two quantities can be used to calculate the useful power of the man? So climbs up na, so climbs up mean that person is climbing the ladder. So when that person will climb a ladder, actually क्या करेगा वो? Actually there would be some,
Again.
yes, some sort of distance is traveled, है ना?
Hmm.
और जब डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल हो रहा है तो एक्चुअली आपकी हाइट भी गेन हो रही है. जब आपकी हाइट गेन हो रही है तो यू कैन से दैट फॉर पावर वी नीड टू यूज दिस मच हाइट. ठीक है? द मैन, द वेट ऑफ द पर्सन और द मास ऑफ द पर्सन. ठीक है?
Okay.
एंड टाइम. ठीक है? सो वेट ऑफ द मैन एंड टाइम टेकन ओनली. नो, वेट ऑफ द पर्सन, क्योंकि हमारे पास होता है ना पावर इज इक्वल्स टू एनर्जी डिवाइडेड बाय टाइम होता है, और यहाँ पे आपकी एनर्जी क्या होगी? इट वुड बी mgs डिवाइडेड.
होगा ना.
सो mg इज द वेट, h इज द हाइट एंड t इज द टाइम. तो आपको बोला
Work.
गया कि हाँ, वर्क डन बाय द मैन एंड टाइम टेकन ओनली. वर्क डन बाय द मैन एंड द वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस मूव्ड ओनली. नहीं, ऑप्शन सी वुड बी करेक्ट देन.
Yeah.
Got it? Was it correct?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So last two questions. This is the question. It is said that a manometer is used to measure the pressure of the gas supply. So I told you no need to make this यानी misconception in your mind कि यार manometer आ गया तो this question is out of syllabus. The concept is the concept of pressure. Which change gives the greater value of height? So you know pressure is equals to rho GH. So we need to increase the height, right? We need to increase the height. So when we are going to increase the height for the same pressure, pressure is kept same because that is connected to the power supply. So you have to decrease the density. Got it?
Okay.
That is simple. If there are two quantities, they are being multiplied. So when you are going to increase one, the other should be decreased.
Sure. Yes, sir.
ठीक है? So using less denser liquid. So that is why that has option A. Then
So
the
why isn't
last
it C?
C, it does not work on the cylinder because in pressure check there is no variable which is area or volume.
No,
ठीक है?
sir. Like like generally.
Now generally it if you have a yani wide object, so in that one the height would be reduced from both sides.
Oh, it takes. Oh, okay, okay, okay.
बात समझ आ रही है? उस पे
Yeah.
दोनों साइड पे फर्क पड़ेगा ना. So that is the problem.
Oh, yeah. Got it.
So this is actually a tricky question. तो हमें थोड़ा सा इसके ऊपर काम करना पड़ता है. Okay. The next is your the last question, that is plumber वाला question जिसको तुमने कहा था. A wash basin has an exit pipe covered with a plug of area 12 square centimeter. This is the area of the plug. It is 12 square centimeter, and the chain is attached to it using a pulling the plug away from the exit hole. The wash basin contains the water of depth itna. So very simple to make it clear that how much depth the water has.
0.80 meters.
That's it. This is the this is basically that portion for which you will perform the calculation. Simple. और कोई मसला ही नहीं है. So density of the liquid is this much. What is the force acting on the plug due to the water? So you know force is equals to pressure times area. ठीक है? So pressure is equals to rho GH into area. So density is 1000. Value of G, I told you that here in all these questions it is used as 10. So the game is now under control. That height is how much? Height is 0.08. 0.08. And what is area? Area is 12 centimeters square. This is the main conversion. So I will convert it on the other side of this diagram. So area is 12 centimeter square. So to convert this, because you can say it is 12 in 12 centimeter into 1 centimeter, right? I can just make you clear in this way. How much that is? 12 centimeter into 1 centimeter. So 12 centimeter is 0.12 na, into 1 centimeter is 0.01 into meters. So multiply करो जरा, जो भी आंसर आता है उसको यहाँ पे लिख दो.
0.1 to 0.01
0.0
to 0.01.
0.022.
Sir, I get 0.0012.
0.0022 होना चाहिए. Sorry, 0.0012. सही सही कह रही हो. 0.0012. So just calculate this all.
1010. Okay, 1000. A 10.
9
Oh,
0.96.
0.08. 0.08 into 0. 0.96.
यस, अब बताओ ये आंसर तुम्हारा सही था?
सर मैंने सी किया था.
ओए होए, इतनी फोर्स लगेगी ना अगर वॉश बेसिन पे तो ये सारा टूट फूट जाएगा।
Not the way you were, the way when you were reading the question, I was like, should I change my answer? Because I was like, इतनी force तो लग नहीं सकती.
यस, तो आप कोई अच्छे प्लम्बर नहीं हो, मतलब आप ना सब लोगों के वॉश बेसिन तोड़ दोगे, कहोगे नहीं इतनी फोर्स लग रही है, इतना सा वाटर कलर। देखो मैंने ना ये इसीलिए ड्रॉ किया है, आपका बाकी सारे अब सारा पानी इट इज यूजलेस फॉर दिस दिस डिपर, ये जो लगा हुआ है ना वॉशर प्लग, बिकॉज ओनली दैट ग्रीन पोर्शन इज एक्सर्टिंग द फोर्स। ठीक है,
Okay, got it.
यस, क्लियर है सारा?
Yes, sir.
सो व्हाट वाज योर स्कोर?
Score मैंने calculate नहीं किया. Wait.
मैं रिकॉर्डिंग खत्म कर दिया, टेंशन नहीं लो, ये लो अब बताओ।